This 2022 Keystone Hideout Cottage 177 Road is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 21 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, TV antenna, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, LP detector, leveling jacks, water heater, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Hideout Cottage 177 Road is 3,397 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.